guys, this is AileenSong's second grade lesson 16. Let's get started.
Okay, today we'll be learning about determining a time, and this is how you can read time. So the first little line right here represents the hour, and these two lines right here represents the minutes. And PM stands for afternoon, and AM stands for the morning. So let's read this. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. For instance, 2 o'clock comes right after 1:59 instead of 1:99 since there's only 60 minutes. So you don't read time by like 70s. You don't say it's 1 hour and 70 something. It only goes till 60 and it restarts with the new hour number. Determining how much time has passed between events. Example, Juan starts playing the piano at 2 p.m. He plays until 2:20 p.m. How much time has passed? So we can see that the hour didn't change. It's still 2 and it's still p.m. But the minutes went from 0 to 20. So 20 minutes has passed. Number 1, school starts at 9 a.m. It ends at 9:40 a.m. How much time has passed? So they both started at a.m. and they're still at 9 o'clock, so we're looking at the minutes. It went from 0 to 40, so how many minutes has passed? 40 minutes has passed. On to the next page. Determining a time continued. Number 2, Jack starts playing kickball at 3:30 p.m. He plays until 4:30 p.m. How much time has passed? All right, so first let's see if the AM and PM changed. So it's at PM and it's still at PM. And the hour started at 3 and now it's at 4. So that is a 1 hour difference because the minutes are still 30 and just the hour changed, and so only 1 hour has passed. Let's try number 4. Judy got to the bus stop at 2 p.m. It is now 4 p.m. How much time has passed? They are still PMs and the minutes are still at zeros, so let's look at the hours. We started at 2 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. How much do you have to add from 2 p.m. to get to 4 p.m.? 2 plus 2 is 4, so 2 hours have passed. Let's try number 5. Jessica practices violin from 8:45 a.m. until 9:15 a.m. How much time has passed? Let's see. They are both at AM. And the hours changed 8 to 9, but it's not 1 hour because the 9:15 didn't get to 45 yet. So let's see the clock right here. So 45 is right here and 15 is right here, and we just went this much, and that's half the clock. So half of an hour is how many minutes? 30. So 30 minutes has passed. Next page. Using a chart to determine the time. Activity time span. Activity, we have arts and crafts and story time. The starting time is 9:30 for arts and crafts, and the ending time is 11:30 a.m. And for the story time, starting time is 2 p.m. and ending time is 3 p.m. Number 1, how much time does arts and crafts take? So arts and crafts started at 9:30 and it ended at 11:30. What is the difference between 11:30 and 9:30? 2 is the difference because 9 plus 2 is 11. and the minutes are the same, so the hours are the only thing that's changed. So 2 hours. It takes arts and crafts 2 hours. Number 3, which activity takes longer? So arts and crafts took 2 hours, and story time started at 2 p.m. and ended at 3 p.m. And how many hours or minutes difference is that? From 2 to 3, it is only a 1 hour difference. So it's a 1. So which activity takes longer, arts and crafts or story time? Arts and crafts takes longer because it is 2 hours long, while story time is only 1 hour long. Let's go to the last page. Word problems. Number 1. It is now 8:30 p.m. The mall will close in 30 minutes. What time will the mall close? So we're at 8:30, and if we add 30 minutes to the 30, what's 30 plus 30? That's an arrow, sorry. 30 plus 30 equals 60. So that'll equal an hour. So in 60, when it gets to an hour, the hour one changes, so the 8 becomes 1 up and becomes a 9. So after 30 minutes, the mall will close at 9 p.m. Let's try number 3. The play starts at 2:30 p.m. It will end in 2 hours. What time will the play end? So we have 2:30 and you add 2 hours. What will you get? You will get 4:30 p.m. Alright guys, that is it for today. You guys can go back to the video if you have any misunderstandings, and you can try the questions we didn't do together on your own, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!